Hey y'all, it is Friday and I am stressed out today. Let me tell y'all why. It's Labor Day weekend. We are leaving today to go to Washington. Again, I know, right? Isn't that crazy? We're going for like a family get together. I don't know. We get to the airport at 3, we fly at 5, which I've never had a flight in the middle of the day. I've always had a flight in the morning. And there's just so much to do today before we leave. Here's the shocker. Dan is coming. This is the first time we've ever been on a trip together in the almost 5 years of our relationship. No one was expecting this. I didn't ask. And then my dad just asked if he was coming, which is so surprising for so many reasons. And I have to go pick him up. He lives a good 30 minutes away.
For a mosh pit, likes on the gram, make a bitch think she poppin'. Ayy, and I keep a cock for a dick, bitch. Beat around the bush, I keep a mop for a misfit. Ayy, going soul searching with the demons. Murder in July, my mama made me mind my business. I don't follow my ex.
Hey.
Ayy, and I keep a cock.
Your whistle is scary. Good morning from our bedroom with luxurious views to the lagoon.
Wait, so what do your activities consist of?
Like tomorrow?
Yeah.
Sandcastle building, water balloon competition.
Is it like
This is the time you're in teams. The water balloon toss is the first.
ready? Set. Okay.
You did? Why would you let go?
I was trying to hand it to you.
No. You know Dave Grohl was in Nirvana.
Who?
Dave
Okay.
Grohl. No, the drummer. The one in Foo Fighters.
That's why he's so familiar.
Yeah, he was in Nirvana.
Who was the main guy from Nirvana?
Kurt Cobain.
Though he shot himself in the head? Or his wife shot him in the head?
Depends on what you believe.
What do you believe?
I don't know. I kind of think they didn't like each other very much.
She shot himself.
No, I think she could have hired a hitman, but also I know he struggled with
She
mental
did not
health.
hire a hitman. She did.
No, seriously, look into
They
it.
did not have that much money.
She was in a band too. She was in Hole.
The fuck is Hole?
Hole. They had that really popular song. I forgot what it was called. You would know it if you heard it. Oh, that child.
Why is this kid? I'm gonna smack it. That kid.
Oh,
That kid's so annoying.
they're rude. I don't want to have children. You're mean.
You don't want to have to. This is good.
I like it.
It's like water.
It's an acquired taste.
Quarantine. Damn, I'm fucking stupid.
I always see Dr. Miami's TikToks.
Who the hell is Dr. Miami? He's in song.
Plastic surgeon. We went to Miami just to meet
Yeah,
Dr.
Mr. Miami.
Miami.
Hey, that one.
Love is a
I'm so excited.
battlefield.
It'll work. Play it in.
Okay.